The FASTFIT Tri-Fold Cover 1500 is specifically designed to fit the Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra models from the year 2019 to 2025, ensuring a perfect match for trucks with a 5.8-foot bed. Its robust construction features a stylish matte black finish and heavy-duty FRP top panels, providing both aesthetic appeal and the ability to withstand up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight. This cover offers the convenience of 2/3 bed access, which is ideal for transporting larger items, and it comes with retaining straps to securely lock the cover in place. Installation and removal are made simple with ergonomic rear tail section clamps that allow for quick fastening and release. And these clamps are cleverly designed to tuck away for a sleek look. With premium rubber perimeter seals and EPDM rubber seals, the cover offers excellent protection against harsh weather conditions, keeping your truck bed dry and secure. Included with the purchase is an extra weather striping and a generous 36-month warranty, providing additional value and peace of mind.